Learn how to stay motivated all the time. 2 things can ruin your preparation for exams. First, the stress of exam being near, where you realize that you have to complete such large portion in limited time. Second, getting bored. For next few months you study regularly, and because of that you'll be bored in a terrible way. Of course, there will be days like this, when you feel highly motivated, and you will actually like the reading process. So now, we are going to see some unique tips. Number 1. Mind maps. Mind maps is similar to note making, which is fun and helpful. What will happen with mind maps? You will get to do something creative. Make a plan, write a name of the chapter in the center, and mention the subtopics as a different branches. Also write the important keywords related to it. By this way you will be engaged in process of making diagram nicely. Number 2. Try to do at least one task for the day. In simple words, do one thing only. For example, if you are focusing on a school exams and want to perform well, so do one chapter related to it in a day. So, start a day with this mindset, that today, I just have to do one task in a day. Number 3. Lower your expectations. If you don't want to study, but you have to, then motivate yourself to read one paragraph first, then one page, then one chapter, and then chapters. You just need to start. Let us know in the comments which subject you find difficult. Our world-class gurus are always ready to guide you. Number 4. Group study. During this time, online group study is very popular. Try to discuss any chapter or content with your friend on call or via online, so that you can test each other. This is a good way of revising. You will enjoy and also get motivation to maintain a competitive spirit in you. Number 5. Change your study environment. When you study at one place only, you will feel frustrated and boxed. So, you need to keep changing your study environment. To get more such interesting and informational content, please visit telgurus.co.uk or subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram channels.